You may know black rice by its more exotic name as forbidden rice. Black rice was once considered so rare and nourishing in ancient China that kings kept it to themselves, believing the enigmatic dark grain would extend their lives. Black rice is no longer rare or forbidden, which is good news for us commoners. It's now widely available online and at natural food stores, as well as in regular grocery stores. However, the emperors were correct that black rice is nutrient-dense. Black rice is a nutritious food that is ideal for a sustainable diets, and the answer for individuals who want to eat healthy foods. Following is how to cook black rice.
Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I bring you a delicious and beautiful food that was very hard to get just a short time ago. It is called black rice. It was once called the emperor's rice and the prohibited rice. And we want to make this beautiful and delicious rice for you and show you how easy it is. Here we have a 2-pound bag of the black rice. We are adding it to a pressure cooker because I have guests and I want it to cook on its own without me having to come and check on it. I add 5 cups of water and we're gonna add now a couple of sprigs of oregano, a teaspoon of coarse salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil. This is it. It is going to be a beautiful and aromatic rice once it comes out of the pot. So you cover your pot and cook at medium pressure for 20 minutes. If you don't have medium, you can do it in high pressure. Open your pot once it's ready and all the steam has come out on its own. You will have a beautiful black rice. So now we're ready to serve it, and we're gonna put our dried fruit, and I got pineapple and apple, 2 pale colored fruit, so that the contrast would make them look amazing. The fruit and the rice are delicious together. So now we serve the rice on top of 2 of the cups of dried fruit. After we have all our rice, this is about 8 to 10 cups of rice, in our serving platter, we are going to drizzle it with dark rum. And I use dark rum because we don't want to add a lot of liquid to the rice that's already cooked, but we want it to be very aromatic and special. So after we add the rum and the rice, we decorate with some leftover dried fruit. We have pineapple and apple that have been sun-dried, are organic, and have no sugar added. They are beautiful, sweet on their own, and crispy, delicious, something amazing with this rice. I'm adding a little extra fruit, so you can say that the whole platter has 3 cups of dried fruit. So remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets, sustainable diets. Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it.